Myself, Monica Nancy Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And the subject code is W3017. And the subject name is Embedded C Programming as per Regulation 2021. In this session, we will understand what we are going to see is what is C language and why it is important for embedded system and what is the structure of C program. The basic concepts like header files, data types, and operators, these fundamentals are very important before moving into the embedded hardware programming. Uh, Now let us look at a typical C development environment. In C programming, the process usually starts with writing the source code using an editor. The source file is saved with .c extension. Next, the code is given to a compiler. The compiler checks for syntax errors and converts the C program into machine level instructions. After compilation, the program is linked with the required libraries and finally the executable file is generated. In embedded system, instead of a normal computer, this executable is loaded into the microcontroller or embedded device. So the development environment mainly consists of editor, compiler, a linker, loader. All these together help in converting C programming into a working embedded application. Now let us see an overview of C programming language. It is a basic that C was developed by Dennis Ritchie and it is structured a programming language, which means programs are divided into blocks and functions. One of the major advantages of C is that it supports functions. Functions help us to break a large program into a smaller modules, which makes the code easy to understand, easy to debug, easy to maintain. And C also supports commands which improve the readability of the program. Commands help other programmers understand what the code is doing. The C is a powerful and efficient language, which is why it is widely used in embedded system, operating systems, and device drivers. Because of its speed and low level control, C is very suitable for embedded applications. Next one is it's a program structure. Now let us understand the basic structure of a C program. Every C program has a standard structure that is a header file and the main functions and the statements. Then that is the return statement. This program execution always starts with the main function. The proper structure is important because it ensures smooth execution of the program and easy to understanding of code flow. Then the sample of a C program, that is now let us look at the sample C program. This hash include studio.h. It's a header file. This header file inclusion, it allows to use the predefined function like printf and scanf. The main function, that's the int main. Its main function is the starting point of the program. Inside the curly braces, this is the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we write the statements of the program. What we want to use the statement. That statement, we write the statement of the program. Then the line starting with slash is a comment. The comments are ignored by the compiler and are used only for understanding the code. Next one is a header file. Now let us understand about the header file clearly. Header files are the files specified in the include section of a C program. There is a pre-compiled function that contains function declarations, macros, constants. For example, studio.h contain input and output functions. By including a header file, we can call those functions in our program by passing parameters. Header files always have extension of .h and the C source file is given a extension of .c. This header file help in code usability, reducing program complexity and all we are using the header files. Next one is the main function. This main function is the entry point of any C program. Whatever the C program, the main function is very important. When a C program is executed, the control always starts from the main function. From the main function, the program flow continues according to the logic written by the programmer. The programmer may contain user-defined function, but the main function is compulsory for all the main functions. Without the main function, a C program cannot execute. So main function plays a very important role in the program execution. Next one is the data types in C. The data type specifies the type of data and the amount of memory required. These are the two important data types that we have to specify. Then one is the primitive data types. In this primitive data types, the int. What is int? Int is used for the integers. Next one is float. What is float? Float is used for the decimal values, and double used for the large decimal values, and CHAR, character, that is only used for characters like A, B, C, D. So that then next one is the aggregate data types. What is mean the aggregate data types? That is what come under array. Array come under this category, and the arrays can contain collection of similar data types. And the next one is the user-defined data types. In this we are having the structure and enum. Now fall under this category. Next one is the operators. These operators are used to perform operations on variables. What are the variables? Arithmetic operation. In this arithmetic operation, we are having plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage. We are having these type of arithmetic configuration in this arithmetic operator. And the relational operator is nothing but is greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal to, smaller than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. These are having the relational operators. Next one is the logical operation, that is and, that is parallel operation, that is not operation. These are all. Then is bitwise. Bitwise is and. And this assignment operators is equal to. Then we are having a compound assignment operators. What is compound? That is the addition of the two operators. That is plus equal to, multiplication equal to, minus equal to. These are all the compound assignment operators. Next one is the shift operator. What is shift operators? We are having a right shift, left shift. Operators are very important in embedded system for bit manipulation, hardware control, and efficient programming. So this brings us to end of this presentation. In this session, we have discussed about the overview of C language, what is the structure of the program, what are the header files, what are the main function, what is the use of a main function, what are the different data types, and what are the different operators we are having. These concepts form the foundation of embedded C programming. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue with more advanced embedded concept in the next session. Thank you.